Hi everybody. My name is Emily. Every day I pick up the most interesting information about the latest Apple. The coolest gadgets that are expected soon on my channel. So do not forget to subscribe, write comments and like. Masters of Disguise. Apple accidentally confirmed the name of the new iPhone. Apple's new smartphone will soon debut as an iPhone SE, 2020. The mention of the model was noticed on the page of the official website of the manufacturer of accessories. The fact is that Belkin indicated the same size of the Invisiglass protective glass for iPhone 8, iPhone 7 and iPhone SE, although the original SE has a significantly smaller screen. Of course, this is more or less unofficial, but Apple's own store has confirmed this name. The list of devices that fits iPhone SE is listed with iPhone 8 and iPhone 7. This can only apply to the new iPhone SE, since the first and so far the only model with this name has the same design and size as the iPhone 5S. In other words, the screen protector for the iPhone 8 would be too big for him. The protective film on the screen also confirms that this phone has the same front panel as the iPhone 8. That is, the Touch ID sensor at the bottom will remain. Unfortunately, other features of the gadget can only be judged by rumors. In particular, the famous analyst Ming-Chi Kuo previously revealed new possible characteristics of the future smartphone and said that the company should introduce it in the first quarter of 2020. Nevertheless, the presentation was clearly postponed due to the coronavirus, because the first quarter of the year has already ended. According to Kuo, the model will be similar to the iPhone 8 and will receive a 4.7-inch LCD display and most of the hardware from this smartphone. But, in the new SE, they must install the A13 processor, which equipped the iPhone 11. It is also expected that the device will have 3 GB of RAM. iPhone SE 2 will not be frameless, it will remain a classic home menu button and a display without a signature monobrow. The previous version of the iPhone SE cost $399, so the second generation of the smartphone can be expected in this price range. Other leaks suggest that the announcement of the iPhone SE may occur in the coming days. Due to the pandemic of the new coronavirus, Foxconn will close the factory in the Indian city of Chennai, where iPhone XR smartphones have been launched.